Hey guys, so in this video, I am going to walk you through the formative of finding volume of irregular shapes. So what's a little bit different about this one is you are going to be looking at word problems and some pictures to help you solve the problem that it is asking you. So I am just going to walk you through each question and kind of explain how you would do it rather than showing you an example like I did last week. But if you still need help with figuring out how to actually find the volume, then you can go back to the week 6 checklist and check out that math video that I linked in there. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says, George is building a tower with a cereal box, a drink box, and a tissue box. What is the volume of the tower? So if you see right here, it gives you the length, width, and height of all 3 objects. So what you're going to do is find the volume of each of the objects, and then you're going to find the total volume by adding them up together. Number 2 says, the inside of each drawer measures 2 feet long, 1 foot wide, and 1/2 foot high. What is the total volume of the drawers in the dresser shown? So you have to use a little bit of inferring here because it doesn't tell you how many drawers there are. So you need to look at the picture. There's one drawer up here, and then there's a second drawer down here. So you have 2 drawers in this dresser. Gives you the length, width, and height of each of them, and then you will need to find the total volume of both of the drawers. Number 3 says, what is the volume of concrete needed to build the steps? So this is the most similar problem to what you did last week. It's an irregular shape. You would split it going this way into 2 different shapes, and you would find the volume of each shape and add them up together. For number 4, it says a birthday cake is made of 2 layers. The bottom layer measures 18 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 3 inches high. The top layer measures 12 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 3 inches high. What is the total volume of the cake? So for this one, it gives you the measurements of both layers of cake, and then you're going to find the total volume. And last but not least, number 5, 2 boxes of craft supplies are stacked on a shelf. The bottom box is shown below. The measurements of the top box are all half of the measurements of the bottom box. What is the total volume of the 2 boxes? So you can figure out the volume of this bottom box with the measurements it gives you. And then if it helps you to visualize it, I would redraw another box, and then your length, width, and height are going to be half of what you see here. So half of 10 is 5, half of 10 is 5, and half of 8 is 4. And then it's still asking you to find the total volume of the 2 boxes, so you will add those up together. If you are still having any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to do an example on one of our Zoom calls or chat with you through Google Classroom to help you solve these.